Hello, this is Jawad Hamidi, co-founder of TATBIM. In this video, we will learn how to create this kind of 2D rendered floor plans and also orthographic views in Revit and Enscape. So let's go. Okay, guys, I've heard that some people do this kind of things with Revit only, but when I saw this kind of exports, I didn't convince with the quality and the speed of the rendering of Revit. So I thought maybe we can do these things with Enscape very better, and it was better. So let's go, and I will show you the process of this kind of 2D rendered floors in Revit and also orthographical views in Revit and Enscape. Okay, let's go to the Revit. For this tutorial, we will use a sample file from Enscape. So has a lot of details and also good materials that will give us a head start to do this tutorial. Okay, let me close this, and after that let me bring the Enscape window up. Okay, to start you should go to the Enscape tab and click on start. I've done it, so we can start from here. To do that, the first step is to go to the Enscape tab and visual setting. The first step is to reset these kind of settings, like fog and other kind of depths of the field and other parameters to the default parameters to start from the zero. Okay, let me select the preset here and click on reset to default, and yes, and you will receive a blank canvas for a starting point. Okay, to start creating floor plans in Revit, you should create a section box around the floor that you want to show that in rendered view. Okay, for example, I want to export my first floor. I want to export my ground floor to 2D render floor. So I should go to the front view, and after that you should turn on the scope section box, and let me adjust the view. But before that, be sure to turn off the live updates between Enscape and Revit to do these kind of things fast. Okay, go to the Enscape tab and turn off live updates for a minute. Okay, let's adjust this section box from here. Let's go to the top, from here to here. It depends on your needs, so it's not a rigid rule to do what. It depends on your expectation and your needs. Okay, from here to here, and let's go to the front view. Let's bring it a little bit, and from here to here. Okay, and then go to the Enscape tab and turn on the live updates again. Let's go to the Enscape view and see the updates. Okay, this is my new model, and this is my new view. It is great, but there is a problem here. The first thing is when you want to render floor plans, the best view is orthographical views, not perspective. So to change this perspective view to a orthographical view, you need to click here and change your view mode to orthographic. Okay, this is great, and after that you need to go to the top view. To go to the top view in Enscape, you should press 5 on your calculators or on your numpads. Press 5 and you will see the floor plans. Okay, let me adjust it with WASD or EQ for up and down. And let me to change the daytime to see a better plan here. And also you can change some settings from visual setting in Enscape tab. Let me bring up visual setting, and for the quality, let me put it on ultra, and also for image, let me put it on auto contrast. And also you can change our highlights and shadows and all of the things that you need. For example, car temperature can be a little bit cooler, and these are great for me. And for atmosphere, it is better to have a white background. It will be better, and it will give you a better view and better image. And for the other kind of parameters, I think these are great. Okay, this is a good render floors, and you can render it with go to the Enscape tab and take a screenshot. But before that, let's go to the visual tab and choose the capture quality on Ultra HD or 4K. And after that, go to the Enscape tab, click on take a screenshot and take a screenshot. Choose a place to render this image, maybe the desktop. I will save it on my desktop and select save, and a rendering process will start as soon as possible. You can see the rendering processes processing here, and you can create an image in seconds. It is amazing. I love Enscape because of the speed and the being real time, so it will give you the flexibility of work. Okay, let's check the output image. It is really great and will give you a better presentation for the clients and for your space management. Okay, but I have another tip here. To do these things in light, and if you want to see the lights too in this kind of views, you should know a tip here that I will give you and I will say you now. Okay, let's bring an orthographic view from the here. You can adjust it with Q, E, and WASD. Okay, maybe this view is good for me. Okay, but before that, let's go to the Revit view, and after that, before that, turn off the live updates to have a better performance here, and after that we will turn it on again. Okay, the previous time when we bring this down, we eliminate our lights, but this time we can keep them by a tip. Okay, bring these side maybe here. Okay, and after that select these elements here and turn them off or hide them in this view. From here, hide element, select these and hide them again. You can see, you can have the lights and also the plan. When I turn the live updates again, you will see the results here when you change the time of the day to night, and you will see the lights too. For example, let's change the time of the day with shift and right click. Okay, now you can see the lights, and it will give you a better presentation for your night renderings too.